So here's the video when you have a Xbox 360 controller for PC and the RB and the LB stops working. So there was this option to add a piece of cardboard that will just increase the height for the button, but in case even that doesn't work, you can try this. You just have to take this metallic thing off from the top, and then there's this white button that will easily come off, and beneath this button you're gonna find metal film. That metal film is basically the connection to complete the whole switch. So the thing you have to do is take off this button and clean that metal strip, and just clean the whole thing with something sharp, but don't really break the device. And when you're done, it will start working. As you can see, I'm pressing, and you know it is working. So hope I helped. And yeah, as people on YouTube say, like, share, and subscribe for more tweaks.